In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Proton Mail accounts. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. Proton Mail is built around zero knowledge, client-side encryption, which means each separate account has its own unique encryption keys. Because of that, there isn't a single merge button that combines two independent accounts automatically. Instead, the safe and practical way to consolidate everything is to choose one account as your main inbox, move your data into it, and then set up your older account so nothing gets missed going forward. Start by deciding which Proton account will become your permanent primary account. Open that account in a desktop web browser and go to Settings, then Dashboard. Here, check your available storage and make sure there's enough room to receive the emails, contacts, and calendar data from your other account. This quick check helps prevent interruptions during the transfer. Next, export and consolidate your contacts. Open your secondary account in another browser tab or window. From there, use the app launcher in the upper left corner and open Proton Contacts. Find the export option in the Tools menu and save the generated VCF contact file to your computer. Then switch back to your primary account, open Proton Contacts, go into the Settings or Import area, and upload that VCF file. This merges your saved contacts into the account you plan to keep using. After that, move your historical messages and calendars using Proton's Easy Switch tool. In your primary account, go to Settings, then All Settings, and open Import via Easy Switch. Choose the option that matches your migration path, either Proton or email, depending on what the interface shows for your transfer. You'll be asked to authorize the connection using the login details for your old account. Once you're in, select the items you want to bring over. Make sure mail, folders, and calendars are checked so your data transfers as completely as possible. Then start the import. Proton will process the contents of the old account and place them into your primary mailbox. Once the import is underway, set up forwarding on the secondary account so future emails sent there still reach you. In the old account, go to Settings, then All Settings, then Forwarding and Auto Reply. Add your primary Proton mail address as the forwarding destination. A verification message will arrive in your main inbox. Open it, copy the confirmation code, return to the old account, paste the code where prompted, and activate forwarding. Finally, link the two identities for easier access. In your primary mailbox, click your profile avatar in the top right corner. Scroll through the menu and select Add Another Account. Sign in to the old account one last time. This keeps both accounts accessible from one profile area, while your main inbox remains the one you use every day.